Thruster is a compound exercise that combines a front squat and a shoulder press. It can be done with a bar or dumbbells or kettlebells. It helps improve coordination, balance, strength and cardiovascular ability. The key to getting the best out of thrusters is form. You want to make sure you can perform the movement really well with just an empty bar first. After that, you can start adding weight or using different tools like dumbbells and kettlebells. So you perform a traditional front squat, and on the way up, you use that momentum to help you transition into a shoulder press. Now, in competition, from CrossFit competitions, they generally like the upper arms to be at the ears so the head's through, but if it's just training for your own enjoyment, you don't need to worry about that. They're a great conditioning exercise. They build strength, they build your cardio endurance, and if you are looking to trim down or do anything like that, these should really be in your routine. So give them a go and let me know how you find them.